What's up, guys? Welcome back and/or to the channel. We're gonna go outside here in a minute. We're gonna talk a little bit about some of the things that I've done to the truck, and just leave it down in the comments, man. If there's something that you need to see that I didn't talk about, or some information that you need, just let me know. We'll be back in a minute, man. Let's get started. 2019 Ram 2500. As you can see, it's definitely not stock. What's really cool about this truck is like some of the things from the 2015. I had a 2015 previous to this, and a lot of that stuff fits here, man. So like I got these fender flares, right? I got those off of my 2015. All I did, you could tell if you look at the paint just right, man, it doesn't match. I just plastic coated them. They're super dirty right now, but I just sprayed that plastic coat on there, man, sanded them up and got it sprayed down, and they fit just fine. There's no problem here. The other thing is this step right here. I took that right off of the 2015. I had a 2015 Laramie, and these are the Ram steps steps that came on that truck. And you can see the little Ram right there. You see that Ram? But like I said, it just a lot of that stuff fit. I did get a 5-inch lift. I got the rough country lift. You could see back in here, rough country, it's a 5-inch lift. There's the spacer and the spring. On this side right here, it's all I did not put the spacer in here. Up underneath here, I did not put the spacer in because I didn't want it. It's a full spring that's part of the lift. I did get the arms down there, of course the shocks and everything, but I did put the spacer on right there for the bar, and all the other stuff. The rims and the tires, man, these are 35s right now. With American trucks, they're 13.5-inch rims, 13.5 by 20s. Man, I really kind of, I don't know. Tell me what to do with these things, man. Leave it down in the comments there. I had 37s on here, 37 by 13.5, but man, I just got, you can see it was rubbing right here. You can see that it was rubbing right there. I cut some of that plastic out. Back here in the back, it's pretty typical for the Ram to have the pinch weld right here that you got to cut out. But I just kept rubbing all the time, and I just got tired of it. So I don't know, maybe I need to go to I went down to the 35, and of course it all went away. But when you step back and you look at the truck, it kind of looks like, I don't really know that I like that tire. I think maybe it's too small. I don't know, man. Anyway, like I said, help me out in the comments. Let me know what you think. I did get the open country Toyos. They're great. They're quiet. Driving down the road, there's no problems. They do pretty good here in the Texas heat. It's only 98 today, man. But the other days it's 100 degrees, so we don't really have that much to worry about, like snow and ice and things. Winter's not really bad here, so don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. Some of the other additions, I got the 6-inch drop hitch. Nothing super fancy about that, man. I do tow trailers around. Yes, I have my windows out, or my mirrors out. People comment about that all the time. Sorry guys, I can drive that way. The Fords, it's just like this standard on the Ford. It just looks silly like this on the Dodge, but I can see better. If I tilt them over the other way, I just can't see as good. I like this mirror right here, the close-up mirror. I like it on the bottom, not on the side. I just get a better field of view with that particular position. So sorry if I'm a douchebag for it. Oh well, whatever. I did put the top here too, the tonneau cover. I got that guy from Tiger. Tiger Direct, I forget their name. Tiger right there. So I got it from Tiger. Pretty nice and easy. So fits really good. But funny thing is that came off my 2015 too. So if you look at it, you got this piece here that came off. You got these guys right here, and you have the steps there. All of that came off of my 2015, and no problems fitting right up and bolting right up, no problem. I did have to get the new the crush bolts and all that other kind of stuff to put in to do the installation. If you need those part numbers, I can put them down in the description for you, but yeah, it's, you know, just hit me up. I'll put them in there for you. But yeah, it's very simple, the bolts and the crushes. You know, nothing else. You know, this is a Bighorn. The difference that I have with a lot of them is mine does have the LED, and I'll tell you a big secret, man. It's a $2,000 package, and this comes with what's called the safety group, and the safety group gives you LEDs everywhere. So LED lights here, and the fog lights. So you can see there, those are LEDs too. You know, everything is LED. So the only thing that's not is some of the interior lighting, but I don't care about that. You know, even LEDs inside the bed, you know, when you do the safety group. So, you know, for a $2,000 upgrade, man, that's awesome. You know, I basically have a lot of the features from the Laramie. It also gives you the big screen inside the dash there. I think you guys saw that when I was doing the flash upgrade for Ultimate Welding. But anyway, just thought I'd go through. You know, I know it's not too much. You know, I haven't really done a whole lot yet. There's a whole lot more that I'm going to do. As a matter of fact, here, I'll show you in the garage here. So for yeah, a lot of the guys do know me pretty well, and you can see I have a lot of audio equipment here. You know, some this is the stuff I ran last year. I have a lot of the speakers that I'm going to be putting in. These amps that'll be going in this year. I did pick up the new. I did pick these up that are new. They're new Focal or Focal. Some people pronounce it different. I don't know. You know, the new tweeters, the M series tweeters. Those will be going in. You know, beryllium. You can see that. Those will be going in to the truck. I have a mount here. We'll be putting that in the A pillar, kind of like this, you know, inside the A pillar. I'll show you a little bit of what that looks like. A lot of my wiring and stuff like that. This all came out of my 2015. You know, some black hole, you know, tiles that are in there. Got this a lot of deadening, a lot of sound deadening that's already in there. It's pretty slick how that is. But yeah, I got these tweeters that are going in, and I did get the new 3.5 inches too that are going to go in that. So inside this panel right here, you'll see I have this is where the 3.5 will go right here, and the beryllium tweeter will go in there. And I'll show you what that looks like, but that'll be a whole different video section. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Not sure which processor I'm going to use yet. You know, still kind of out on that one. I have, you know, lots of stuff here, so not sure exactly how it's all going to fold out. I do know these are going to go in the doors. These are going to go in the truck. I have not decided on if I want this processor. I used this one, and I have the Moscone running around here somewhere. 6 to 8 V8 is the one that I'm using, or that I was using before. Old Alpine, old MS8 up there. Anyway, lots of stuff. All of my new cables that had come in. There's still some more cable. You can see it here, I guess. Yeah, you can see that's some of the speaker cable that came in. I got some old already with some Tech Flex on it. Yeah, got a lot of work to do. So anyway, that's it for me, guys. You know, just wanted to give you a rundown of what's going on inside the truck. You know, there's a whole lot more about to happen, and we'll cover that as soon as possible. But yeah, we'll keep it going, man.